you, Mr. and Mrs. Angela Salmon.
My pretty lady, our big day is finally here. I'm so excited to be able to call you my wifey after today. You're so beautiful, strong, smart, and loving. I'm truly lucky beyond words to be your man. After everything that we have been through the past year and a half, I know that we will be able to make it through anything that this life of ours will throw at us. Your love is far and away the best thing that has ever happened to me. After our first year dating, I could not imagine wanting to grow old with anyone else. I can't wait to see you in your dress. I love you so incredibly much. Love, your handsome man.
It is with honor and pleasure that I take this on this special day to pronounce Andrew and Sarah as husband and wife, and to kiss your bride.